Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a realistic household clean with me, and I am super excited about this video because it is a collab with my friend Peta-Gaye here on YouTube. She has some amazing content over on her channel, and she has sent me a little clip over for you all, so let's go ahead and jump on into that.
Hey guys, my name is Peta-Gaye, and I am the cleaning mommy. I am a wife to an amazing husband and a mom to two awesome boys. On my channel, I give you realistic everyday mom life of a mom with a toddler and a baby. You can find plenty of cleaning motivation, cooking, day in my life, decorating, and so much more on my channel. So after you finish watching Chelsea Luke's channel, I would love for you to come on over to my channel and support my videos by watching, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Welcome to the Henry family. I'm so happy to have you here.
Okay, y'all. You have to go over and check out her channel. I will have all of her links in the description box below, as well on the cards up above. And if you are coming over from her channel to visit my channel, hello, my name is Chelsea, and I have a ton of cleaning motivation on this channel. I also have some home DIYs, some home decor hauls, some regular hauls, a few vlogs here and there, some cooking videos, grocery hauls, you name it, it's probably over here on this channel. But my main focus is a lot of cleaning motivation, so if you are interested in that and you find something over here on this channel that you like, I would love it if you would stick around. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you like these kinds of videos, please do give it a big thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. I do really appreciate you all so much that you take the time out of your day to watch these videos. It means the absolute world to me. So again, I'm so thankful to be doing this collab today, and don't forget to go over and check out her channel after you watch this video. So let's jump in, because my dog is jumping down off of the bed. Let's jump into this realistic household clean with me. Okay, y'all, if you cannot tell, we are a blanket family. We absolutely love a good blanket in this house, and I actually started folding this one, didn't like exactly how I was folding it, and started refolding it. And I also like to start in my living room because I have been doing reverse cleaning, where I start with the least messy thing that I need to clean and then work my way up. You all can't necessarily see it yet, but there's a little puppy hiding out underneath this blanket. And the reason the couch is moved at such an odd angle is because I had propped my feet up on the end of it, and John was laying up against the end of the couch doing schoolwork. And now I'm just taking advantage of the fact that the couch is already pulled out from the wall, and I'm going to sweep behind it.
I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat.
I have to find a new place for this photo because every single time we want to watch TV, I have to lay that photo down in order to get the TV to work. Moving right along to my bedroom, I am just adding a fitted sheet to the bed, and I was washing my duvet on this day, so the only thing that I put back on the bed was this blanket, and I was washing my pillows that day as well. If you have followed me for any time, you will know that laundry is one of my least favorite chores, but it has to get done. So that is what we are doing now. And most of this is my husband's laundry. He had been out of town in Columbus for the week and then came back on the weekend. And this was all of the stuff that had gotten dirty while he was gone.
wish I could make you stay, cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home.
Okay, you all, that's going to do it for my video. Please do not forget to go ahead and head over to Peta-Gaye's channel and check her out and let her know that I sent you. I promise you, you all will not regret it. I thoroughly enjoy her channel and I know you all will too. Anyway, guys, I hope you are having a beautifully blessed evening, morning, noon, night, no matter what time it is, wherever you are when you're watching this. I genuinely hope it's blessed, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.